My name's Gabe, and today we're going to be going over 3 methods to landing tricks faster. Let's get into the video.
I'm Gabe!
Alright, so the 3 methods I'm going to be going over in this video are 1. Setting a goal, 2. Knowing what tricks you need to have down, and 3. Breaking your practice into different pieces. Alright, so the first step is setting a goal. By setting a goal, you'll have a clear vision of exactly what the end product's going to look like. When I'm setting goals for myself, I usually want to decide exactly how long a trick is going to take me to learn. Even if I don't reach the goal right away, I still see exactly how far I got and how far I need to go. This is really important because it will help self-motivate you. The second step is know exactly what you need to have down. If you don't learn the foundation tricks that you need, you won't be able to learn the trick as fast. A common example of this is when people try and learn kickflips right after their ollies are off the ground. While it's still possible to learn a kickflip, there's no reason to overcomplicate it and make it harder for yourself. For example, if you wanted to start running for exercise, you wouldn't first run a marathon. You would start running short runs and building up the distance over time. The same thing can be applied to skateboarding. Once you're good at the foundation tricks, you can just start building up the difficulty. So the last step to learning tricks faster is actually breaking up your practice into different pieces. This last step is really important because when you're doing this, you can actually pinpoint what you need to work on the most. When I learned backside flips, I broke the trick attempts into 3 parts. First, I practiced my backside 180s. Then, I practiced my kickflips. After I felt solid with those foundation tricks, I put them together and started going for the full backside flips. Because I followed all these steps, I was able to land the trick in under 30 minutes. You can apply this to any difficulty of skateboarding. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner, doesn't matter if you're a professional. If you implement these methods into your skating, you're going to learn the tricks much faster. Alright, that's it for this video. I wanted to make sure it was short and sweet, right to the point, and I'll see you next time.